Welcome. Today I'll be doing a train unboxing. Let's begin. So I'll be opening up an Athearn Genesis locomotive. It is the Burlington Santa Fe legendary livery of the SDP40F, number 6975. This is a DC only locomotive. Put that there. Information stuff. Owner's manual. Parts. So, this is what it looks like. Do something about the glare. Well, I'll take it out of the plastic. Take it out of the box. Some of the glare is gone now. Now, if I remember right, some history on these were ordered from, well, not from, but they're ordered from EMD for Amtrak originally. But the issue was that due to the fact that everything was steam powered on the cars, they had a steam generator, so water was back here, and it would slosh so much that it would cause them to derail. So they were a failure to Amtrak. But the F40 is which was meant for slower, not slower, but more commuter trains, ended up becoming their star train, I guess, the face of Amtrak. Then, since Amtrak they had such an issue, they sold them to Santa Fe, and Santa Fe owned them. And Santa Fe yanked out the steam generator, and these things just worked like champs. They had, from what I understand, no major issues because they were just SD40s under the hood. And since they pulled the steam generator out, they were just a regular SD40. But this is the legendary livery in the BN green and cream paint scheme. But this is a BNSF logo, so this would be like the early days of BNSF's. Like the early BNSF logos right there. If BNSF went with this paint scheme, this would be probably far better than the orange, in my opinion. I think that BNSF had a much better paint scheme in the earlier days than they do now. Except for like maybe the golden swoosh. And one thing you'll notice is it has the snubbed nose on it. If you guys want me to do another unboxing or get more and do reviews on these trains, I will hit a goal of 10 likes. If I get to 10 likes, I'll do a review. And if I get 50 likes, I'll get on a locomotive and do an unboxing with that. Get the side view, the top view. You see where the steam generator would be placed in it would be right here. You get a good idea of the snub nose right there. Ooh, sorry. Under the hood, I'm trying to be gentle. Most of the details like right underneath here. It's got a track inspection light. As I said, this is a DC locomotive, but I do have plans to make it into a Blunami. And it's so easy that I could just pop out the Blunami that I have in my other SD40 SDP40F2P. That all, if you give me a sec, I'll bring it right back and you can compare from the early Amtrak order to the later Amtrak order and then to kind of the Santa Fe. Right back. Welcome back. I brought up my my other SD40F SDP40F. I get that right. But one of the things you notice is that snub nose right there. It's compared to here to there. This one's more pointed. During the the last couple orders, the first order, this was the first order, so it had the much pointed. After the second set of orders, it was 600. I believe it was number 620 plus. Had a more chopped nose right here. Now I wouldn't know if this was part of the first set or the second, because they did Santa Fe did rebuild and snubbed up the nose to put walkways. And I have another one over here, which if I will turn around, but some of the, I'll show you the difference between this one and this one. But one of the things you'll notice, get the camera to focus, is if you see the lights right here, they've been bolted shut right here. You got lights on here and here. That's one of the more noticeable stuff besides the antenna array that are at the top. It's very similar to the ones that are right here. The horn front that's on here. The original Amtrak had theirs at the front, but this one is pushed back. Now, Athearn did come out with a 624 number was the number of the locomotive. I can't really remember, but the chop piece, it has the chop piece right there. I know one of the numbers was 611. This is 511. I believe 624 and another number. But give me a second. I will bring this one facing that one. We can compare the difference between that set. Right back. Okay, I'm back. I got both locomotives facing the same direction, so you can see I would say the most notable difference I've seen was the fact that you have the unit that's right here that's not on this one, but the more easier one is this one doesn't have the nose light. It has a hood light to it. That they just blocked that light set off while they kept the light there. And I can't tell if they blocked off that one or not. The paint scheme is kind of blocking it, but I do like the paint scheme. I've had this locomotive for probably 2-3 years after I bought it. I haven't put a decoder or speakers in it. And I actually bought speakers for this locomotive, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and put them in this one. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. If I get 10 to 20 likes, I'll do another video. I'll buy another locomotive and I'll do an unboxing, do some reviews. If that's what you hear, I want you to hit the comment and say, can you please do more reviews? If you enjoyed it. I know I repeat myself, but I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Have fun.